Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to check or compare your data saved in your income tax profile with PAN card. Because it's very important nowadays that our data is updated and it is correct. Because many times what happens, like it depends upon a lot of government schemes, programs where our data is used. Okay. So how you can compare if you have like same information or if there's anything out of sync is this. Like I'm going to show you in the format of screenshots in order to protect privacy. So the first screenshot you see is from the income tax profile. Click on login if you have already the profile. So once you log in on your name on right hand side top, you'll see my profile. I have encircled it. Click on it. Next. Here under personal data, next to personal data, you see there is a button compare with PAN and Aadhaar. So once you click on that, here you see that your profile will be shown and the data as per profile, as per PAN, as per Aadhaar. I don't have an Aadhaar card because I'm not eligible. That's why it's not showing there. And then you can compare it. And the good thing is if there's any mismatch that you want to update there, like you want to update in PAN database or Aadhaar database, you see the links are also given. So using this, you can do it yourself. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.